Have you ever wanted to learn Java programming? Well, buckle up because a thrilling journey into the world of Java awaits you right here on Code Nuggets. I'm thrilled to unveil a comprehensive Java programming course, meticulously designed and tailored for all levels of learners. This course is a beacon of knowledge, ready to guide you from the rudimentary basics of Java syntax to the more intricate concepts of object-oriented programming and data structures. Imagine being a beginner, knowing nothing about programming, and then, after this course, you're proficient in Java. Or perhaps you've dabbled in other languages, and now you're ready to add Java to your repertoire. This course is here to equip you with the necessary tools for either journey. Every lesson is crafted to guide you through complex topics, breaking them down into manageable, digestible chunks. Step by step, you'll navigate through the course, with each lesson building on the last, ensuring a steady, comprehensible learning curve. But it's not all theory and no action. Sprinkled throughout the course are coding exercises and projects, specifically designed to put your newfound knowledge to the test. These practical components challenge you to apply what you've learned, reinforcing your understanding and giving you a taste of real-world programming. By the end of this course, you'll have a robust foundation in Java programming. You'll be equipped with the skills and knowledge to tackle advanced projects independently, ready to turn your ideas into reality with Java. As someone who is passionate about programming and sharing this love with others, I believe this course will be a valuable asset in your journey to learn Java. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Make sure to subscribe to the Code Nuggets channel and stay tuned for the release of the first lesson. The world of Java awaits, and I'm excited to guide you through it. I look forward to seeing what incredible things you will create with Java. Until then,